Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our talk is average speed. Average speed is very important. Why? Because when the body is moving at a variable speed, we can calculate at that time we can calculate the average speed of it. Average speed is defined as the ratio of the total distance traveled by a body divided by the total time taken. That means the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken is defined as the average distance, just average speed of the body. Let us suppose let delta x be the total distance traveled by a body in a time interval of delta t. That means the total distance traveled by a body is delta x and the time taken is delta t. Then average speed. Average speed we write as VAV or it is V bar is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. We'll write it like this: V bar equal total distance traveled. We suppose that delta x is the total distance traveled by and total time taken is delta t, where delta x is the total distance. That means it is xf minus xi. Or the xf final position minus initial position. The final distance traveled divided by the minus initial position divided by delta t is equal to tf final time divided by the initial time. This is how we calculate the average speed of a body. Now we will discuss the average speed of a body in different situations. There are different situations in which the average speed of a body is taken. Average speed in different situations. First, body traveling different distances with different speeds. First situation is when the body is traveling different distances with the different speeds. How we can calculate or how what will be the average speed of the body when the body is traveling different distances with the different speeds. Let us suppose let the body travels s1 distance with speed v1 and a distance s2 with speed v2 in same direction. That means s1 is the distance traveled by a body with a speed of v1 and s2 is the distance traveled by the body with a speed of v2. That means different distances are traveled with the different speeds. Then the time taken by the body to cover s1 distance. That means how much time the body take to cover s1 distance with a speed of v1. That is t1 is equal to s1 by v1 and the time taken to cover S2 distance is equal, that is T2 is equal, it is S2 divided by V2. S1 is the total distance traveled with the speed of V1 and T1 is the time taken, and S2 is the distance traveled with the speed of V2 and time taken is T2. That means the total distance, that is delta x, it is traveled by the time T1 and T2. Therefore, we will calculate first how much is the total time T1 and T2. Therefore, total time taken is equal, that is T1 plus T2. As T1 is S1 by V1 plus S2 divided by V2. This is the total time taken. Now we will calculate the average speed. Therefore, average speed is equal, that is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Total distance is S1 plus S2 divided by total time taken. Total time taken is S1 by V1 plus S2 divided by V2. Now, dear students, if S1 is equal to S2, that is S1 is equal to, that is the distance, equal distance traveled with the different speeds. That is the equal distances are covered by body with different speeds. Then that means S1 and S2 are different. S1 and S2, that means the equal distance are the same distance are covered by a body with a different speeds. Then V bar is equal. Now S1 is equal to S2. It is S plus S divided by, S will common, we will take it 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. It will be 2S S1 by V1 plus 1 by V2, as an cancel, or we will obtain it is twice of V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. This is the average speed of the body when the body travels different distances with the different speeds. At that time, we can calculate the average speed of a body like this: twice of V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. This is the average speed of a body when the body covers different distances with the different speeds. Then there is another situation. In the second case, we will discuss inshallah in the next class. Thank you.